Hi, this is Ken Lau Jiong. I'm the MIA appointed trainer, and recently I have a friend who works as a tax agent. She asked me about this Lampiran CP107D, and I was like, "What is this about?" And we do a research, and I find out that actually it's a new law to some of you, and it just started March 2022. So a lot of new things have changed. So why do I talk about this thing? Because that in the Lampiran Day, there is you actually need to get the list of the dealers. Okay, so let's example here you have a list of over 46. So what if you have hundreds or maybe you 200s that agents that you need to work in, and you need to put every 20 items into the Lampiran. So what does that mean? Well, it's like and then you do have a dealer master list. Okay, you have the dealer master list. By the way, these are fake data, right? Obviously, and you want to put this into a Lampiran. So it's like here. Okay, so you have a list like this, and then you want to, maybe I'll just make a copy of this, and you want to go to the here, and the current practice could be you copy these 20 items and you go to the Lampiran, and then you just paste it here. Aha, that's complete one, right? And just look at that. This list here: fish, ginger, orange, salt. Okay, and now you finish one batch and you go to the other one and you forget here, and you start searching for it here for another 20. Oh, and that's until 40. Yeah, so copy it and then go here, and then you paste it here, and now you have another list, and you want to print it as a PDF, I assume, right? Now, and suddenly your boss call you, hello, Ali Akao, yeah, come. And then you forgot, where is it? Where did I stop? And then you come back here, oh, maybe it's here. Okay, then you do this. And that's can create a error. What if you miss a agent code? Now that's a big problem, because you miss someone, you get penalty from the hustle. So how about this? I list out the name here, and then all I need is just click on here. You see that? Now that is the first batch, 1 to 20, and the next one here, it goes to the next one, and go here, the next one. Oh, and by the way, if it's no more, until 40 no more, it will automatic change it to empty. And that is very cool, right? Now I think that you can save you a lot of time. Now if you're interested to learn more about this, do join our upcoming program with MIA. I'm the appointed trainer. Thank you, and I have a next one coming. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. You can fill up Lampiran CP107D faster than you think.